Go High Level Wizard here, and now I'm going to be doing a full tutorial on the app GoKollab. If you don't know what the app GoKollab is, it is the mobile app for the membership communities inside of Go High Level. So I'm going to be going on the phone showing you this. So buckle up, it's going to be awesome. Before we jump in though, go right down below, smash that subscribe button. If you have any questions, drop a comment down below. First thing you're going to want to do on your smartphone is go to the App Store, which is iOS for Apple or whatever Androids is. And you're going to go into GoKollab as you see right here, and it's going to be this one right here. So you're just going to download it and get started. Remember, it's GoKollab. It looks just like this. So go in the App Store and get this ASAP and download it. Okay, so first things first, you're going to go into the Home tab, and this is just going to be a place where you can see all of your course progress and basically everything like that. Then we're going to have the Discussion tab, okay? And what this is where all your posts are and all of the engagement in the group. You can just scroll down like that. And to post, you can just click this right here, okay? Type in, your post, test, hello, done. Okay, again, you can add graphics or anything else down there very simply, very straightforward, just like how it is on the computer. And then you just click post and you can see it right there. Again, you just click that button right there, and to comment, you click that. Then we have manage. All manage does is let you see all of the members, so you can kind of approve them and not approve them. That's how you let people into the group. You'll just click that tab right there. And then to review is to review any posts that may be sketchy or whatnot, so you can get rid of them. So that's how the entire Discussions tab worked. All it is just the entire community outline. And then right up here, by clicking these three lines, we get the channels. So all the channels are just group chats on a specific topic. So as you see here, I have Q&A, announcements, share your wins, and you just click into them and it'll be specific to that channel, just like the desktop. It's just in a different place. Right here, we click add channel. You put the name of the channel in, you put the description, and then you can put the icon in and make sure if it's private or not. Again, it's the same exact thing as on desktop. It's just in a different place. So that's how you would create channels and access them. Again, it's just right through this hamburger right here. Then we have learning. Okay, so in the learning tab, this is where all of your courses will be. So to access a course, let's say we want to do how to learn high level, this one right here, we just click this right here. Okay, we can do syllabus or click start learning. And then right here, you see all of the lessons. Very simply, very straightforward, all like that. You just click into them to watch. I mean, it doesn't get any easier. It's the exact same thing as the desktop, just in a different place. Now, to get out of this, a lot of people will click this arrow right here and then they go, what the heck? There's no courses found. What is this? It's kind of a glitch. You're going to want to click this button right up here, okay, courses, and then you want to click communities, and it will take you back to the community. I don't know why they have it that way. It's kind of weird, but that's just the way it is. Then we have more. Okay, so if we drop this down, this gives you access to all the settings, time zone, email, and whatnot. We just click settings. This, you can edit your profile right in here. So that's the same thing on desktop, what email, what social icons, billing and subscription, which is just going through the price of said, course and whatnot, simple stuff like that. Then you have chats, which is going through the group chats and contacts. So you pick whatever you want right there. Again, same thing as desktop, just in a different place. Then we have a leaderboard right in here. And all this is this is just the gamification of the app. So this is, you watch this video, you get this many points. You watch this video, this many points. So simple stuff like that. You just access it down there. You scroll down, you can see what student is ahead. And then we have events. So this is something that everyone really wanted. This is awesome. So you click into this, you can click the event. You have access to Zoom right here. How awesome is that? You just click it and it takes you to Zoom, so you can go on the live streams that the group has. So this in events is where you're going to see all of the live streams happening and all of the meetups or whatever it is, webinars. They'll all be through this events tab right here. And you can just go side to side. You can click this plus, you can add them just like this. Same exact thing as the desktop version, but it's very simple. Real quick, guys, I just want to make this clear. This is pretty much the same thing as the desktop, just in different places. So the reason I'm not going into how to create this, how to create that, because it's the same thing as the desktop. And if you have not seen my video, okay, on Go High Level Communities, please watch it, because you're going to need to have both the desktop community and the mobile community for this to all work properly. So that's how that works. Just letting you know, I'm not skimping through. I just want to make sure you watch that first, because it's much easier and it carries right through, but I'm just showing you where to access it. And then we can log out right there. But when we come back, the last two features are you have notifications. So this is just all of the notifications in your group, so you can see, who posted, who did what. And then last but not least, we have the group chat. So right in here, you have access to all of the chats, okay, and the messages of people. So all this is a place where you can talk to your students. You can reach out and DM them. As you see here, so we'll type in Declan. We'll click this, and then I can send a message. So, hey, man, check it out. So it's like the way to DM people, which is really cool. So now I can go through and message people, and it's pretty cool like that. But that's how you'll answer all of your messages. Again, mirrors the desktop app. So please go watch that video. Last thing I want to show you is you can white label the app. It costs money, okay, but it's pretty cool. You can make the app match your brand, your logo. So you basically have your own app and send push notifications. Again, it's like $70 a month or something, but this is where you would access that. If you have not gone live on the GoKollab marketplace, you're going to want to do this. You basically come right in here. You just click the group you want and then click go live, and it's going to basically allow you to go out to their discovery page. Will get you a lot of organic traffic. I talk about this in my other video. I'm going to link that other video at the end of this video if you've not seen it. Please watch it, because again, it will explain this much more in depth. The mobile app is just the same thing except on mobile. But now that you know how to use the mobile app, I highly recommend you get every one of your users on the app, because it will drive engagement like crazy. It's much simpler, much easier. So make sure you go do that. So again, if you guys have any questions at all, drop them down below. If you are interested in learning high level and mastering it, I have a 30-day free trial link down below. Not a 14-day, an exclusive 30-day free trial link where you get access to me, goodies, snapshots, and so much more. So please go check that out. It's awesome. It'll help you master a lot of stuff, and I have a partnership idea for you that will help you just turbocharge your Go High Level journey. So check that out. Guys, subscribe if you haven't already, and as always, Go High Level Wizard.